Hi guys. We're gonna be video goose. This goose I keep hearing noises. I think whatever was at my church yesterday followed me here goose. This goose now I'm starting to experience some pretty crazy stuff. I'm not happy with it. No goose. The stool's moving by itself. It's a little odd goose. It's a sound. I don't know, but over here has been over here. This room, it's like haunted. Don't mess with me, man. Is someone messing with me? The stool just fell. I had to pick it back up. I just probably heard that bang. It was the stool. Can't believe it happened over there. What the heck? Stop! Oh man. What is going on? I couldn't believe my eyes went at church when it was happening. It's because I never experienced it that bad before. I don't know, Goose. Maybe it's Genie Emoji again messing with me. Or is it someone else? It's Goose. It's Goose. It can't be Ryan or JJ from Coquitlam or JJ from Coquitlam's friends. It's because they're not ghosts, Goose. So Goose can't be them. And this is like ghost activity, Goose. So. Oh, it's scary. Goose has this from outside was Goose. The truck is here since it's Monday, Goose. Sorry, everyone knows what happens on Monday. Trash truck comes, Goose. It's here today. And that thing that stopped scaring me. It's here. What does that say? It's prove you that this is not a ghost. Because I think what else is happening is I just heard whispering. Because I just heard whispering. It came from the kitchen. Yeah. The whole way I just heard whispering. My dad is literally upstairs and my mom is upstairs and my brother is upstairs. My brother and my mom are sleeping and my dad isn't. It's like he's doing something up there. I forget what it is though. I swear I just heard whispering around here. I was over there, Goose, and then I heard whispering over here, so yeah. Hello? Seriously, stop whoever you are. What the heck? What was that? Oh, that scared me. It might be my dad. Are you joking? I just heard footsteps and from the stairs and I just checked and nothing's there. Because now someone's coming down. I think it's my mom. That scared me. Oh my gosh. Goose gave me the heebie-jeebies there. Goose, oh no. I just heard something again. Oh no. What? Who's doing this? Who is doing this? Who is doing this? I just heard footsteps, and that door was blocking my entrance. Cause who would know what would happen if I couldn't even run away, Goose? Oh my gosh. There's gonna be snow today, I got pretty sad about that. It's gonna be pretty cold. No, cause I see someone standing. I see someone standing down there. In the crack. Cause like in that crack. I wanna show you, it's too disturbing. Oh my gosh. So I'm closing that door. That is scary. And plus I'm locking it. Cause oh my gosh. Okay. Cause I locked it. Oh my gosh. Cause what the heck is? That is nothing to mess with. Oh my gosh. Maybe Whistle's down now. Connor isn't because maybe he'll come down soon. Because what in Holy's name? Can't even believe my eyes. So scared I am, Goose. Goose, too much, Goose. Pray for me, man.